5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
Hello beautiful souls. Welcome back to Code of Ascension. As we approach 2025, the energies are intensifying, and it's crucial to prepare ourselves for the shifts ahead. In this video, I'll share a powerful ritual to help you align with the highest vibrations and set energetic boundaries. As we move into higher consciousness, our sensitivity to energies increases. This can leave us vulnerable to external influences and energetic debris. By consciously preparing our energy field, we create a solid foundation for growth and transformation. What does energy preparation involve, you ask? 1. Clearing stagnant or negative energies. 2. Strengthening our auric field. 3. Aligning with our highest purpose. 4. Inviting in divine guidance and protection. This ritual is designed to help you enter 2025 with clarity, strength, and divine connection. To get started, you'll need white sage or Palo Santo for cleansing, a white candle for purification, and a clear quartz crystal for amplification, a journal and pen for reflection. Once you have your materials, the steps are as follows. 1. Cleanse your space and yourself with sage or Palo Santo, setting the intention to release any energies that no longer serve you. 2. Light the white candle and place the clear quartz crystal in front of it. Sit comfortably and focus on the candle flame. 3. Take 3 deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax and connect with your inner wisdom. 4. In your journal, write down your intentions for 2025. What do you wish to manifest? What energies do you want to embody? 5. Hold the clear quartz crystal and speak your intentions aloud. Visualize them infusing the crystal with your desired outcomes. 6. Close your eyes and meditate with the crystal for 5 to 10 minutes, feeling the energies of your intentions anchoring into your being. 7. Snuff out the candle and carry the charged crystal with you as a reminder of your alignment. Repeat this ritual whenever you feel called to reconnect with your 2025 vision. In addition to energy preparation, it's essential to establish clear energetic boundaries. This protects you from unwanted influences and allows you to maintain your alignment. I would like to share with you some simple protection practices to get you started off. 1. Visualizing a shield of white or golden light surrounding you. 2. Calling in your spirit guides and angels to assist in your protection. 3. Using protective crystals like black tourmaline or obsidian. 4. Regularly cleansing your energy field with salt baths or visualization techniques. As we step into the new year, remember that you have the power to create your own reality. By consciously preparing your energy and setting strong boundaries, you'll navigate the coming shifts with grace and resilience. I encourage you to make this ritual your own, adapt it to your needs, and trust your intuition. You are a divine being, and your light is needed now more than ever. If this ritual resonates with you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this energetic preparation. Subscribe to Code of Ascension for more guidance on your spiritual journey, and let me know in the comments what intentions you're setting for the new year. As always, we end this session in light and love, Code of Ascension. Thank you for your curiosity in being a part of this journey. Until next time, keep ascending.